Welcome to the MCQ part of F. Scott Fitzgerald. I hope you have watched the previous two videos. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. You can also call us to join our online classes. Question number 1. Who among the following are associated with Jazz Age? You have to find out the combination from these options. I'm telling you the correct answer. The Jazz Age was a period in 1920s and 30s in which jazz music and dance style rapidly gained nationwide popularity in United States, and American author Fitzgerald is widely credited with coining the term, first using in his 1922 short story collection titled Tales of Jazz Age, and Ernest Hemingway's The Sun Also Rises is also a good example of jazz work. So option number A becomes the right answer. Next question is not directly related to F. Scott Fitzgerald. Only one option is there, The Sun Also Rises, which we have just studied in his videos. So the question is, the line, a man can be destroyed but not defeated, appears in which of the following? For whom the bell tolls, the old man and the sea, the snows of Kilimanjaro, the sun also rises. The correct answer is The Old Man and the Sea, which was written by Ernest Hemingway. Santiago, one of the character, uses this line and says a man can be destroyed but not defeated. So this line basically throws light on the strong determination of a person that never let him to give up anything in life, irrespective of the counts of failures he commit during that act. Next question number 3. Which of the following has been called a proletarian epic? Proletarian epic क्या होता है पहले ये समझते हैं. Proletarian epic refers here to the literature created by working class writers, mainly for the class conscious people. So options देखते हैं. Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea, Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby, Steinbeck's The Grapes of Wrath, and Faulkner's Light in August. The word proletarian is also used to describe works about the working class by working class authors, to distinguish them from works by middle class authors such as चार्ल्स डिकेंस की हार्ड टाइम्स इसके लिए बहुत फेमस है, और हमारा यहाँ करेक्ट आंसर है द ग्रेप्स ऑफ रैथ बाय जॉन स्टीनबेक. Next question. Absalom. Absalom is a novel written by Faulkner, Steinbeck, Fitzgerald, or Hemingway. Absalom. Absalom is a novel by American author William Faulkner, first published in 1936. Next question. Who is the author of the novel Light in August? The correct answer is William Faulkner. Option number C. Light in August is a 1932 novel by Southern American author William Faulkner. ओके बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ, जिसमें आपको मैच करने हैं कुछ लाइंस, कुछ डायलॉग्स विद दी पर्टिकुलर नॉवल. द फर्स्ट वन आई एम रीडिंग, ही वॉक्ड टूवर्ड्स द फेंटली हमिंग ग्लोइंग टाउन क्विकली. This line has been taken from Sons and Lovers. Sons and Lovers is a 1913 novel by English writer D.H. Lawrence. Next line, in their death they were not divided. This has been taken from The Mill on the Floss, a novel by George Eliot, जिनका रियल नेम मैरी एन एवांस था. जॉर्ज एलियट was a pen name. The next line, happiness was but the occasional episode in the general drama of pain. This has been taken from The Mayor of Casterbridge, The Life and Death of a Man of Character. ये पूरा नाम है. This is an 1886 novel by English author Thomas Hardy. And the last one, so we beat on boats against the current, horn back ceaselessly into the past. The Great Gatsby. This has been taken from The Great Gatsby, Now You Know, is a 1925 novel written by American author F. Scott Fitzgerald. So option number D here is the right answer. Next question is related to chronological sequence, और chronological sequence के questions आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं एग्जाम में. So please be good with dates with years. तो इसका मैं करेक्ट आंसर बता दूं आपको, फिर सबके ईयर्स बताती हूँ. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. सबसे पहले सिस्टर कैरी, देन द ग्रेट गैट्सबी, देन बिलवर्ड, एंड देन द अमेरिकन पेस्टोरल. अब इन नॉवेल्स के बारे में जानिए और ध्यान से सुनिए सारी चीज़ें. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ करेक्ट ऑप्शन जानना आपके लिए ज़रूरी नहीं होता, लेकिन उस ऑप्शन को अगर डीपली जाने तो आप कई और क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. सो सिस्टर कैरी हेयर इज़ ए नॉवल बाय थियोडर ड्रेजर 1900 में पब्लिश हुआ था. ग्रेट गैट्सबी अब हमें याद हो चुका है, 1925 नॉवल है बाय दी ऑथर एफ स्कॉट फिट्जजेराल्ड. नेक्स्ट इज बिलवर्ड, 1987 novel by American writer Toni Morrison. Next, American Pastoral, written by Philip Roth, published in 1997. Next question related to The Great Gatsby. At the end of the novel The Great Gatsby, the narrator Nick Carraway observes they were careless people. Who were they? The correct answer is Tom and Daisy. Tom and Daisy Nick is able to identify as two hypocrite characters of American high class society by the end of the novel. Next question is just for my watchers. You can write the answer in comments. The jazz age was coined by which famous personality of the Roaring Twenties? So that is it for this part of the video, and you can click on this link and watch the biographies of other prominent writers along with the MCQs. So please keep watching this channel, do share and subscribe, write down your comments in the comment box, and you can contact us to join our online classes as well. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exams.